One of the things that annoys me most about people who work on AI is when they stand up and with a straight face say, oh, this will never cause any job elimination. Yeah. Like, this is going to eliminate a lot of current jobs.
Some creative jobs maybe will go away, but maybe they shouldn't have been there in the first place.
You have this long-term concern that maybe you don't need developers at all at some point.
You have children. What jobs would you advise your children to steer away from?
There's no doubt that AI is going to bring changes and disruption. In the fruition, fullness of time, I think it's going to create many more higher quality and better paid opportunities than we've had in the past.
Can I just quickly push you on that? If there were 3 jobs that you think are not going to exist in 10, 20 years' time as a result of AI, what would make the list?
Look, I haven't really thought about, specific categories of jobs.
It's kind of deeply unfair that a group of people can build AI and just take everyone's jobs away. And in some sense, there's nothing you can do to stop them right now.
I've tried to do a few different back of the envelopes about how much this could be. I think this is something on the order of 70 to 80% of existing human jobs.
So let's talk about the elephant or agent in the room, which is that's going to affect human work. You just described a lot of jobs that we have people doing.
Yes. I feel very strongly that I don't know exactly when it'll come. I don't know if it'll be 2027. I think it's plausible it could be longer than that. I don't think it will be a whole bunch longer than that for humans to produce economic labor, and this is where they feel their sense of self-worth. Once that idea gets invalidated, we're all going to have to sit down and figure it out. And I'm not going to lie. My true belief is that is coming.
In a benign scenario, probably none of us will have a job. And in the negative scenario, well, bets are off. We're in deep trouble.
Almost certainly within the next 5 years, any economically valuable job humans can do, AI will be able to do 80% of it. With a few exceptions like heart surgery or brain surgery, but by and large, 80% of all jobs can be done by an AI. And if that's happening in the next 5 years, the world is going to be a very different place. So I see this sort of like something fundamental will change. A 5-year-old kid going to kindergarten today is being told by their parents, go to school, study hard, get into a good college, and then you'll get a good job. That won't be the paradigm.
So there are cases where entire classes of jobs will go away.
It will affect every single job out there. Don't put your head in the sand. There are a lot of companies who don't want to talk about it openly because we're scaring people about jobs. It is going to replace jobs. So did the tractor.
So many of us were advised when we were younger, you should have a 5-year plan, right? In 5 years, we may have artificial general intelligence, which is AI systems that are better than humans, artificial super intelligence, AI systems that are far beyond our human intellect. And it's almost impossible to imagine what the world would look like under such scenarios.
And my kid will never grow up, will never ever be smarter than an AI. That will never happen. Kid born a few years ago, they had a brief period of time. My kid never will be smarter.